So check out this Nikon lens here. This is a macro lens to get really close-up photography. It's a 40mm lens with an f2.8. So it's a great lens, really nice quality lens. The back of it, let me just show you the back real quick. It's got a metal mouth, not plastic, which is super important. That is a very high quality lens. Love Nikon's products. It has also a back cover and a front cover, as you can see here. Also comes with a hood. This is a hood shade for the front, so you can block some of the glare. It also does come with a carrying case in here. This is a little leather carrying case, a little pouch to put your lens in when you're on location. That way you have protection. Definitely love this lens. I've been using it for a while, and if you're looking for great close-up photography, you can't go wrong with Nikon, especially the 2.8. Gives you super sharp, low light, and just works fantastic. Really beautiful lens. I super love this lens because it just works fantastic. It is a DX, and it also autofocus. Super important as well, guys. Definitely nice lens.